Hi, Miss Katie.
Dog!
You're back, huh?
How are you?
Nice.
Hello, Doc.
Hi.
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Katie Lawrence sobrang saya dahil kasama niya nagkanyang mga magulang na sina Katrina Halili at Chris Lawrence. Isang simpleng ngunit napaka-espesyal na araw ang ibinahagi ni Katrina Halili at Chris Lawrence habang magkasama nilang sinundo si Katie Lawrence Mall sa kanyang music class. Sa caption ni Katrina, "A simple co-parent day, samahan niyo kami as we pick up Katie Ilabs from music class, share some real co-parent moments, and end the day with a chiropractic session with Doc." Thanks Chris Lawrence, ramdam ang pagiging natural at maayos nilang co-parent ang setup. Sa video, makikita ang genuine na saya ni Katie, palaging nakangiti, masigla, at halatang komportable sa presensya ng kanyang mommy at daddy. Kahit sa simpleng bonding tulad ng pagsundo at pagpunta sa chiropractic session, nagiging espesyal ito dahil sa effort at oras na ibinibigay nila bilang magulang. Nakakatuwang makita na sa kabila ng kanilang hiwalayan, nananatiling buo ang suporta at pagmamahal nila para kay Katie.
Mama, tama na mag-pictorial. I wanna change dress na.
Ang ganda naman ng yellow, please yan na lang muna.
Wala pa ako sinuot na violet dun eh.
Ay! You farted! Ano ba yan?
Oh, my loves, good morning. Samahan niyo kami today.
Okay ng yellow?
I mean, gusto ko ito eh.
Pastin natin muna yung purple, okay?
Okay po.
Ayan, susunduin na namin si Katie. Oops, teka lang, mag-ano ka na dyan pala. Kakanan ka na. Kakanan ka. Oh, ayan, di ba? Video pa more. Dito, kakanan ka dyan. Kakanan ka dyan, di ba?
Alam ko dito sa Indo.
Yan, video pa more. Mali-mali. Doon lang sa parang eskinita. Katie, tara! Ayun na, naka-purple dress.
Hello! Dito pa.
Ay, sus, ba't naka-smile? Oy, wait, Chris! Diretso na daw tayo. Ano, hindi ba?
Kaya. Oh, where are we going? Hindi ko alam yung daan dito.
Diretso siguro.
Alam mo?
Ata. Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. Sakit ka. Sakit ba yung back mo yan? Ano yung sakit sa'yo ngayon?
Wala po.
Ay, wala.
I think konti isa ba?
Konti sa back. Where?
Ay, gusto ko na magpakayo ngayon.
You need to tell Doc, saan masakit? Konti. Ay, dito. Lower back.
Huwag dito kasi
Mama din eh. Sakit ng lower back pag di ba? Can you tell Doc, sakit ng lower back ni Mama kagabi?
sakit ng lower back kagabi ni Mama.
Pero ikaw masakit din?
Konti lang po. Hi, Miss Katie.
Dog!
You're back, huh?
How are you?
Nice.
Hello, Doc.
Hi.
Kami, Mom.
Ay, pahag siya pa.
Okay. So we're gonna do another Cairo adjustment, huh?
Ano yung masakit sa'yo, Katie? Lower
Back
back?
is hurting.
Konti lang daw po.
Okay.
Let me go on that side.
Can you move? Bring it ata. Yan, Jake, kamay.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. First, we'll do a little bit here. Actually, we can do it a different way. Yeah. Let's just do the lower right. Let's go this way. Face me on your side.
Face ka.
There you go.
Oops, here. Dito.
Ay, umidikit na.
One side first. Yeah. Maybe scoot down. You're a bit high. Yeah.
Ay, Katie, parang...
There you go.
Gusto mo pa ako?
Ready?
Ano nangyari? Side lang, anak, side. Yan, ganyan.
Yeah, this comes up. Good. That's great. There you go.
Malapit na kami.
Right here. Let's breathe in and exhale. Better?
Exhale.
Exhale.
Okay, keep that straight.
Katie.
Kaya mo yan.
This comes up. Good. Good. Okay, let's go the other way.
You have to breathe. You have to breathe like this.
I read earlier.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, this is straight. Good. Closer. Keep that straight.
Inhale, Katie.
Okay, let's take a deep breath. Exhale. Good. Oh, now our body weight moves.
Inhale. Exhale.
Matanto ba ako?
Exhale.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Shorter and then the lumbar elbow.
Thank you so much,
You're
Doc.
welcome.
Can you hug me?
Group hug.
Group hug? Oh, bakit si Doc la? Can... Sali. Yan. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sarap.
Look at your mom when she's aside like that, huh?
Breathe. Exhale. Good. Okay, let's go face up.
Laway.
Good. Okay. So you're back, huh? Come back now. Oh, good. Good.
Okay.
Don't be tense, baby.
Tama yan.
Okay. That's how I'll do it.
Lower back.
Okay, lower back here, huh?
Katie.
Let's breathe and exhale. Good. There's one. Now we'll do here. Let's go towards me on your side. Okay, up. We're gonna down the elbow. Great. Right here. Let's breathe. And exhale.
Ooh.
Nice turn.
Mr. B.
Let's go. You just arrived?
I just arrived, yeah.
Last night?
I got back,
Like a little stiff. A little bit. Okay. Let's just do this one. Okay, good. There's still one more here. Just relax the shoulder. There we go. That's better. There we go. Okay, you're ready. Good job.
Ang ganda naman ng dress.
Hanggang ano
Hindi ko
oras?
yung na-picturean. Katie, diretso na tayo kay Doc Rob.
Diretso na?
Upo.
Kala ko 1 p.m. pa.
Sir? That's the first we started with the neck. Because you went face up. Oh.
Kaya, ikaw yung nag-start mag-isa.
So that's. You just go. I'll just take what you can get. Okay. You start face up. Okay.
Ikaw naman pala.
you know what I've been having though? Lower back pain.
Yeah, your hip is really off.
Lower back,
So let's go this way.
aging.
Usually we do this. Well, airplanes and different beds and all the work, all the stress, it accumulates. Good, relax. Oh. Okay, let's go the other.
Okay.
There. Okay, breathe. Okay. Good. Face up, face up.
Face up? Yeah.
Just like that. Up. So now much better. Yeah, earlier it's like shorter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Short.
The hip is off, so the hips rotate, create a short. Yeah. Not that you're short.
Short
The
legs.
leg was a little shorter, yeah.
Short legs,
Okay,
yes.
tapos na. You're all set.
We got the one down here too?
Yeah.
Yay.
The lower?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Katie, ba't ayaw mo kami Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang?
I'll hug you.
Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang? Ayaw mo ng group hug?
Gusto ko si Doc Rob eh. Para, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh.
Ilang beses ka na nagpa-Cairo?
Nagpahag.
Ay, kinakount mo.